plate too. Not legal. Okay, I need to get off the bike. I need to get off the bike. Something is wrong with me. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. I hope everything is okay with you. Everything is okay with me. Long, tiring day. Holy shit, I busted my ass today. I got so much work done. So much work done. Need to get gas. Because my gas light just came on. Holy shit, I am exhausted. And this issue came up right as I was leaving. I hate that shit. I hate it. Because the problem is people work different hours than me, you know? A lot of people show up at like fucking 10 o'clock. Oh, look at this guy on a trials bike. Adorbs. Yeah, a lot of people show up to work at like 10 o'clock, you know? So by like 4 p.m. they're, you know, not getting ready to be closed and done. Meanwhile, I am. Meanwhile, I am, you know, because I start at 8, 7:30, whatever the fuck. So yeah, I don't have, so yeah, when somebody calls me with like a major issue or major scheduling conflict, this girl was like, yo, can we schedule this massive fucking workshop, blah, 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 this week? And it's Tuesday, end of Tuesday. It's like, and I told everybody this morning at my staff meeting, like, bros, nobody fucking bother me this week because I'm off. I mean, I'm off the radar. I'm trying to collect $1.4 million in the next fucking couple weeks, you know? 1.4. Anyway, we're good. We're fine. We're fine. Anyway, so I think I talked her off the ledge. And we're not gonna have to do all that shit. And we'll just meet about it next week. Oh gosh. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I'm over it. Another thing I'm over is fucking GoPro batteries. What a pile of shit. Another thing I'm over is that I need fucking knee surgery and my knee doesn't even hurt anymore. Fuck. You know, over my GoProing, my vlogging days, I must have fucking went through like 24 GoPro batteries. You know? At least. At least. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, the knee is just annoying, you know what I mean? Because, like, bro, last time I had knee surgery, my knee was like, I mean, my knee kills and I can't walk and all that shit. Once in a while, though. And once in a while, it's okay. And right now, I'm going through this stage where it's okay, but it's fucking, I read my MRI results, and it's a mess in that stupid knee. It's definitely not normal, and it's definitely not okay. It's a real shame people don't know how to drive, though, because I was hoping to get a little bit of a swift move going, but yeah, it's all good. All right, so I need to get some gas. Where are we going to get gas? Oh, I'm definitely not going to that fucking spot. Anyway, look at that fucking jerk up front. Fucking Honda Pilot, you piece of shit. I just have to see the face of this person. Oh god, fucking driving like a Momo bird. Look at his face. Look at his dumb little face. He's like, alright, I'm cranky, so let's not hurt anybody emotionally, physically, including myself. Let's just chill. It's all good. It's all good. I'm over it. I am over it. Go to the gas station, change my mind. I'm gonna go to the one that's a little bit farther out, but it's okay. It has to be done no matter what. Oh boy, oh boy. Are you gonna go? What are you doing? Fucking people, bro. There we go. Why am I so irritable? I don't know. But yesterday, damn near fucking got hit, so I better calm down today, right? There we go. There we go. Tony's Auto Body. It's all good. It's all gravy. There we go. And we got a gas station over there. I'm just gonna go straight. It's totally okay. I just know I need gas. Sorry, so cranky. I don't know why I'm even so cranky. Oh wow, sick, bro. Really cool, bro. Fucking tool bucket. No, not a tool bucket. He's got a proper helmet. I mean, he's got good gloves, but just, you know, I pick and choose my battles. You know, if I'm gonna get pulled over and stopped or fucked with, it's not gonna be for that, because the gain is tiny. You know, the gain is tiny here. With the splitter and all. That's kind of dope. That is kind of dope. I'm a big fan of that. That's sick. Go. There's the gas station. We made it. There we go. Alright, boys and girls, I'm gonna get gas now. We'll see what happens. Probably can't use one of those things here. Whoa. Alright, cool. There we go. Got my Ridge wallet. There we go. My zip code. And now, let's take this, and I take 87 because I used to do 93, but not anymore. Looks like it's about to rain. There we go. Super cool. $16 fucking to fill up a motorcycle. Imagine how all the cars feel. Probably not super cool. Probably not super cool. All right. And we're still recording, which is fine. There we go. All right. Nice. Cute little bike. No fucking plate. Definitely stolen. Fucking douchebag. Fucking Oregon plates, bro. It's okay. It's okay. He is scared. I mean, my boy's got like plush toys on his fucking dash, so you know, like how, let's see how much gap he leaves. Not bad, but yeah, this guy, I'm definitely getting ahead of him because I'm not playing with his shit. I don't have time for his little game. All good. All good. So this is the Two Wheel Tuesday block. Right over here. Will I make it? Will I make it? Will I make it? How much you want to bet that guy passes me like on the right or something, on the dirt? It's totally fine. Bro, you're killing me here. Bro. Really, bro? Kidding. Okay. Fucking douchebag. I don't have time for that shit. Look at him with that plate too. Not legal. Okay, I need to get off the bike. I need to get off the bike. Something is wrong with me. I'm gonna fucking lose my mind here. Something's wrong with me. Jesus, dude. Alright, guys. We'll talk to you all later, okay? Everybody ride safe and be well. Super windy. I have a feeling quick little rain as I cometh. Bye-bye.